AI does it in 10 minutes.
People will lose jobs.
Yeah.
Many new jobs will be created, I think much better jobs.
Everyone is speaking about AI, but do you know where the real wealth will be created? By 2027, these 5 sectors will dominate. Here is your blueprint, the top 5 AI businesses you need to know.
In the next few minutes, you'll discover 5 AI businesses around the world. Each solves a real problem, uses existing AI tools, and can be started without building your own AI model.
Business number 1, an AI automation. Every day, businesses lose time to repetitive work. Replace those tasks with intelligent automation, without anyone touching a keyboard.
Imagine a customer sends a message. AI responds instantly, books the appointment, creates an invoice, updates the CRM, and sends a confirmation automatically, without anyone touching a keyboard. Companies don't pay for AI. They pay to save time, reduce mistakes, and improve efficiency. The technology is only valuable because of the business results it creates. Small businesses may invest a few $100s a month for automation, while larger organizations often spend thousands on tailored systems that solve complex operational problems. You don't need to invent new AI technology. Combine existing language models, automation platforms, APIs, and business software into one reliable system that solves a client's problem. Here's where many beginners fail. They try to sell AI. Businesses aren't buying technology. They're buying faster support, fewer manual tasks, happier customers, and measurable growth. AI automation agencies are growing. They solve expensive business problems. But what if your clients aren't businesses? Up next, we'll explore an AI business built for creators, marketers, and brands that need content at scale. Welcome to the future. The AI Content Factory takes one raw asset and multiplies it into a global presence. Content isn't just entertainment. It's the fuel for the modern AI economy. Attention is the new currency. Using AI-assisted workflows, weeks of production are compressed into hours of strategic output. Consistency is what brands pay for. The AI Content Factory ensures they never miss a beat. But as the tools multiply, so does the confusion. This brings us to business number 3, AI implementing. Most companies are struggling to manage too many tools. They have the technology, but no clear path to using it. Consultants don't just sell tools, they simplify adoption and create a clear bridge to the future. Auditing and restructuring how a company works, consultants turn AI from a cost into a massive growth lever. The goal is strategic implementation, making AI a core part of the business DNA, not just a flashy add-on. As these systems become more integrated, the next natural step is autonomous help. Up next, AI employee solutions. You've now seen how AI can automate work and create content. But what if AI could become a dedicated employee that works around the clock? That's where the next opportunity begins.
Businesses are beginning to deploy AI assistants for customer support, internal documentation, onboarding, sales assistance, and knowledge management, allowing teams to focus on higher value work.
The value isn't replacing people, it's helping every employee complete more work with fewer repetitive tasks and faster access to information. That is how we grow. Organizations of every size are looking for tailored AI solutions. If you can understand a business process, you can build an AI assistant that improves it. Our final business is one of the fastest growing opportunities in the AI economy, building niche AI software that solves one specific problem exceptionally well. Instead of creating software for everyone, build a focused solution for one industry, one workflow, or one recurring challenge that businesses face every day. Subscription-based software creates predictable recurring revenue because customers continue paying while the product keeps delivering value over time. Let's recap. Automation agencies, AI content systems, AI implementation consulting, AI employee solutions, and niche AI software. 5 proven directions built on solving real business problems. The biggest opportunity isn't chasing every new AI tool. It's combining today's technology into practical solutions that save time, reduce costs, and create measurable value for customers. AI is changing how businesses operate, but success still comes from solving. If you found this valuable, subscribe to NasBuilds. Which business would you build first? Let me know in the comments. I'll see you in the next video.